Hello friends, today we will see how to check your laptop and desktop's RAM specification. So just right click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Under the Task Manager, here you can see the Performances tab. Click on this and select Memory. Under Memory you can see here total amount of RAM, physical memory is available on your laptop and desktop. So that's the 4 GB DDR3 type of RAM. Here you can see it may be type of 4, DDR4, DDR2 and DDR3. And available RAM, you can see here how much utilization is going on, and the speed of the RAM you can see that's in megahertz, 1600 megahertz. And then there are two slots, that means one slot is free. Here I can install 4 GB, 6 GB, I can install 8 GB and different RAM in available slot. And SODIMM, that's the technical form factor. And I can also see some CPU details here. So what current speed, what's it's just the base speed. Actually it don't show the clock speed. Whenever you work hard, it can reach to turbo mode. There you can see the turbo speed. And then you can see number of cores are 2, logical process are 4, and base speed of this CPU is 2.50. that's the Core i5 4th generation 4200M edition. And then you can also see RAM, physical RAM available in your system. From here you just type msinfo32. Here you can come down and see available physical memory. Here install the physical memory RAM 4 GB. From here also you can check your RAM details. And one more method is just select search and type DXDIAG and press enter. And you can see here there's the 4000 megabyte, that's equals to 4 GB. So 1024 MB is equals to 1 GB. So 4000 it is showing, that means it's a 4 GB of RAM available installed in this laptop. Yes, you can check your desktop, laptop, all the system details in this way, especially if this is related to RAM. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.